edit all this blanks. You know what? I'm not gonna edit this just so y'all can see. Things happen, bro, but this is what it's about. Mr. Bugsby brought in the car. He actually was gonna get originally some regular black ones. I told him, Mr. Bugsby, I'm gonna try to do it a little bit different. I'm gonna try to get some lights in there. I accomplished that. So I want you to stand here while the camera's looking at your face so you can see what goes on here with this, all right? What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka the AUDIOZONE here on the AUDIOZONE channel here today, man. Always thanking you guys, first of all, for the support, the love you guys give in this channel. Don't forget to always share, like, and subscribe to the channel. Get the information out to guys, man. You know what I'm saying? Bring y'all the best that we can in car content. It's kind of hard to make all these vlogs and videos when we're doing so much and we're so busy. Today, we got a beautiful 2022 Ford F150 pickup truck. You can see here behind me. She came in because she wants to get some changes done to her, little light mods. So what we did is that this front back, you see that's the Ford logo here. We're gonna remove this and we're gonna reinstall a new one that can be blacked out with the lights on it, because that means that the Ford is gonna light up on this one. We're getting that little light accent done. We're also doing here the side, which you can see the team's already getting ready to work on. We're installing the tape around the unit to make sure we don't scratch the car. We're gonna remove this badge off and install a new one here with lights. We're also doing a black exhaust tip because this exhaust tip on this truck is not a nice looking tip. Pretty simple, pretty simple. That tip, we're also gonna replace that with a black tip on it and get this car situated and ready for Mr. Bugsby. So right on this journey, the guys are getting ready to disassemble, start getting things situated for this car. Like I said, we are putting tape around this whole area to make sure that everything protected. If we start to pull and start to have the markings of exactly what we did, because he got you tucking all the tape in there to get that situated and get it to be right. So pretty soon, they'll be removing badges, installing wires, and getting this beautiful truck in there. Now, what piqued us a lot about this truck, I know about the EcoBoost. I did not know that Ford made a truck that was hybrid. So when you turn this truck, it actually is electric in the beginning, and when you floor it or you move the gas down, the gas engine begins to kick in, so it makes it a hybrid. That gotta be great gas mileage, great towing capacity, and it's a great looking truck. On the new F-Series, you see that there's new roundabout light that comes here, and it continues to the bottom. So this is a actual very beautiful truck that they are working on right now to get these things lit up. Stay tuned as we keep on getting the build done for you guys and show you guys how we get this done here at AUDIOZONE. Cruise crew, so at this point in time, after we have all the tape mocked up, we're allowed to do pressure on the side, which the guys already did, but we put the tape because when we come and put our tools to start squeezing out, it doesn't scratch the car. But this badge is already released, as you can see here, and it's just a matter now of getting it out and pulling off this badge. Once this badge is off, you see that little tape right there? Boom. That badge is gone, and this is the one we're replacing it with. So this is an LED unit that can allow this thing to come in here and be a black badge with the lights on it. So right now, the team's gonna start getting this part done to get installed. All the metal clips stood in the vehicle, which is not a bad thing. Now, they're gonna get this, start running wires, and get this installed. Stay tuned. All right, cruise crew, because this kit that we have here is gonna be a dual function. It's gonna have the white lights when he's cruising, but it also has the yellow wire if you wanna tap into the turn signal. What that allows us to do whenever you install this car and he puts on the turn signal, it picks up the signal and allows this to begin to flash orange. So it'll be white when it's driving and it switches back into an orange. It also comes with the power supply, which you're gonna have to install underneath the hood, but this power supply will get the power, splits it out to both units, and gives the power for the white. And this is gonna go definitely with an ignition base or even parking lights, depending how we wanna set it up. So when he turns this on, probably gonna be parking lights, so it'll be a nighttime thing. So when he turns on the parking lights, still have the white light on, turn signals on, get the flashing light. We're gonna start doing the install, stay tuned. All right guys, so now that I got this here, I got the box here. If you look at this corner here, this truck, I'm gonna lift up this plastic and get the wires ran to the bottom and bring it to the back, but right now I'm just doing the running of the wires. So I'm just basically gonna fix this behind the hitch, come grab it from here, put my hands around here, and now I got my one wire here. So now I got this wire that's gonna come here, plug it to this right here, screw this in so we don't have no loss of connections ever and no water issues. And once that's done, I can also grab my orange wire and grab it from here. Now my wires are ran where I can start doing my install. Once I get that done, this is pretty much a snapback kind of install. And just like that, the bag is installed. Now that I got my yellow wire here, and I got my power supply wire here, I'm gonna get the guys to go in and run this underneath the plastic, get it all nice and hidden, get this yellow wire ran to this turn signal, and that will give us the effect we need of the turn signal being turned on and the white being turned on. Meanwhile, that's going on, I have my master guy here, Gallo, who's beginning to remove the front badge of the vehicle to give us the installation of the front badge, which is also gonna light up. So you can see the same thing, we got plastic tools to begin to wedge this out, and he will see, get this out the door, stay tuned. All right, crew, so on this one here, we actually just removed the whole front end of the vehicle to be able to get to the creel area. We need to install the bags there, but at the same time, we need to get to these lights to be able to turn on the turn signals and turn on the parking lights that we need for the badges and everything else to turn on. So now that we have the car part, we're gonna remove these two 10mm bolts and the ones that are here on the side of the vehicle, which will be right here, as you see it here, and down there. Take this headlight assembly off of the vehicle, find my signals I need for the turn signal, find my signals I need for the DLRs, and then I should be good to go on that one. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so after we have the headlight removed, we actually ran a wire runner. So let me show you what it is. So this is one of my grabbers that we use here in the shop. It opens up, I can grab the wire, feed it through. So I fed the wire to the side here, got it coming down here, and I'm gonna connect it to this turn signal here. So when you look at the turn signal back here, there could be a ground to positive, so I tested it with my power probe. I'll show you what that looks like. And so I have the flashers on, I will see the power probe flash. So I know that's the signal that I need to grab to install my turn signal for this unit and continue over there to get the parking lights and everything else done. So right now I'm in that process, stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I got that side turn signal done. If you look back here, I got this turn signal done. Now I'm gonna do the parking light part, which is gonna be the little corner light that goes here on the side. I'm gonna poke the hole in the middle. You can see through there. That makes my wire easy to go through. Then I can do a knot, just twist it around here. And then I'll get the solder done. And after I get the solder done, then I can put the black tape and that'll be done. Stay tuned as we continue to build. All right, crew, so at this point in time, I'm gonna show you what we got going on. I'm gonna turn on the lights. You can see the lights turning on.
Hey, where's the demo?
That's how it works. And then it's gonna turn on completely, turn off the signal. So when it's just sitting there, that's what it looked like, y'all. And when you turn on the signals, he has a signal going on here. I think he's gonna love that. We also want to illuminate the front badge. I think he's gonna love that. And then we got the same thing over here. So turn off the lights, Jay. No. Turn off the lights.
The fences are way high.
Turn it on. Yeah, see how it loads up, goes that way, goes back the other way. And then she turns on for him. Now the signals. So that part is done. Next thing we have on the agenda is he wants to put a bug deflector on the front of this vehicle. So I'm gonna get this now, get this bug deflector installed, add the tailpipe, and this car's done. All right, crew, so at this point in time, lights are all done. Everything there is going good. Wind deflector on the vehicle. This one can be signed, sealed, and delivered. We tried to do the exhaust pipe, but the one they sent them was the wrong one, so it definitely did not work right, or what we needed it to do. Hold on. So it didn't work right, what we needed to do. So at this point in time, we're definitely gonna go ahead and give it to him and let that thing come in. So stay tuned, y'all. So we're here at the end of the day, man, with Mr. Bugsby, beautiful owner of the white F-150. Cause we were shocked that your truck is a hybrid.
Yeah.
It's electric and gas.
That's right.
We pulled it in and we're like, bro, this thing's too quiet to be on. And then we opened it up and it's a hybrid. I'm like, man, that's crazy. But let's show you what's going on here, all right? Here, Dad, help me with the camera today.
Is it recording already, puppy?
Yeah, it's already on, but yeah, you're recording the floor.
Okay.
Come on now. Edit all this blanks. You know what? I'm not gonna edit this just so y'all can see. Things happen, bro, but this is what it's about. Before Bugsby brought in the car, he actually was gonna get originally some regular black ones. I told him, Mr. Bugsby, I'm gonna try to do it a little bit different. I'm gonna try to get some lights in there. I accomplished that. So I want you to stand here while the camera's looking at your face so you can see what goes on here with this, all right? So let's start with the first phase. Oh, for real? So Mr. Bugsby. Okay.
Nice.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go through the whole process. Look at your lights.
Okay.
Actually. You see that design going on?
Yeah.
Now you're on. Here goes this one too, Mr. Bugsby. You ready?
Okay, got the signal on it.
So now you got signal and you also have the wiper when you're driving. So my question on that part of the build, do you like the little tug? I know it wasn't you said, but I told you I was gonna light it up. Cause man, it's just gotta make
On
it
the front, on the front, on the
No,
front.
we're not there yet. We're going one by one. As far as this part goes, I decided to take it up and do some lighting. Do you agree?
I like it.
You like the whole thing?
Yeah, I like it.
Here goes the next step for you, champion. You wanted to go ahead and get something in the front end, so let them know what you're driving. Got the Ford logo, blacked out in the background, white. I'm loving it. I don't know how you're feeling about it, but I really do love it a lot. The other thing Mr. Bugbee said he had a problem with, there's a lot of bugs that are always hitting his car. We have a resolution for that. Installed the ABS bug guard, completely done on that part. Now, there was an exhaust tip that we have for him. Unfortunately, it didn't fit, but it was gonna match the whole little combo of phase number 1 on this build, which is gonna be doing everything we've done, but the black tip, I told him, so unfortunately on this video, you're probably not gonna get to see it. On another video, I'll throw it in there. We get the nice black tip for the exhaust, but everything else so far, what is your question? What do you want to tell YouTube today? Everybody can see you today.
I love it.
You loving it? Did I earn your respect?
Yeah,
Did I earn your love?
You know, you've been to that.
Jeff, it's my pleasure, my honor, man.
Man, thank you.
No, man, it's our privilege and honor to be able to do this. So people ask, do we do anything but Dodge? No, we do it all, from Fords, Dodge, whatever. Stay tuned. We got a whole Ford Mustang custom motor build I did. We got a lot of other things that I got to put together for y'all for videos, but we do a lot more than just Dodges. We do anything that you need to do. In fact, we have a Ford that he's bringing today. I'm not gonna show it to you, another video, but we're gonna be doing some craziness on that one too, so stay tuned. I want to thank you guys for the watch, thank you guys for the support. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, man. Y'all be good and God bless.
There you go.